Hey y'all, it's two-wheeled tenor out here. Some people have been asking me, how do I add an eye bolt to my vice grips? I'll just show you real quick. This is an eye bolt. This is a 3/8 eye bolt. You can get these anywhere. Home Depot, Ace, Lowe's, nuts and bolts, etc. Bolts by GT, Fastenal, you name it, internet. Walmart probably has them. I'm just locking this in here using the vice grips I'm about to weld to, and I'm gonna cut off some of this, about cut off right where my thumb is. No real scientific method to it, just whatever feels right. I'm not already liking these Harbor Freight vice grips, but let's see. That's what you're left with. Then I take my vice grips, screw them closed so they're a little bit tight, stick them in a vise. That way I don't have to hold them by hand. I should turn on the welder. And these vice grips have a nice little hole in the center, like for putting an Allen wrench in. I'm just gonna use that to center this. And I'm just holding this with one hand and kind of just holding it as upright and level as possible. I'm just gonna tack it in. All right, I tacked that on. One thing I'd always recommend to you guys, if you're gonna weld these in, weld this little eyelet here closed. Because other than that, it's just gonna wanna pull apart. It's just gonna wanna straighten back out if you don't weld it back to itself. So that'd be my advice to you. And then just go around and start welding. There, that's all there is to it. I don't know why they don't do this at the factory. This makes your vice grips or locking pliers so much more usable. When you get used to it, when you see one without it, you'll feel naked almost. You won't even want to use it. But that's how you attach that.